So it's got a series of experiments. First 6 and the second she uses 7.8. Given they form AP, find the total amount. Okay, that's not so bad, is it? So that means A, the first term is A, which is 6, and the second is 7.8. It's an AP, and A equals 6. We want the difference equals 1.8. Now we can do it. We want the sum of n, that's the formula, half n of 2a plus n minus 1 d. Formula sheet page 2. And we want S30 is a half times n, 30, times 2 times a is 6, plus that will be 29 times 1.8. That equals 963. That's the first part. Part 2, I'll do it up here. Part 2. Now it forms a GP. So this one here we know A equals 6 and R equals the 7.8, which is the second term divided by 6, which equals 1.3. And she's got 1800 things. So okay, we've got a sum of n things, and that according to formula sheet is a 1 minus r to the n all over 1 minus r. Personally, I'm not going to like using that one, because when r is greater than 1, that's going to put a negative on the bottom. I don't like that. So what I will do is I'll times top and bottom by minus 1, and that will give me on top Sn equals a, oh, that's meant to be an r, a r to the n minus 1 all over r minus 1. Same thing, but much easier to use if r is greater than 1. So now we can try and do it. We've got a is 6, so 6 times 1.3 to the n minus 1 all over 1.3 minus 1, because that's the formula we're using there, and that has got to be less than or equal to how much we got altogether. That's 1800, which says that 6 times 1.3 to the n minus 1 all over 0.3 is less than or equal to 1800. Divide by 0.3, opposite of that is multiply both sides by 0.3, so 6 1.3 n minus 1 is less than or equal to 540. That's by timesing by 0.3. Now I need to divide by 6, so 1.3 to the power of n minus 1 is less than or equal to 90. Now add 1, 1.3 to the power of n is less than or equal to 91. Well, that's great, it's looking good. And then I'm going to log it, so log it, log 1.3 to the power of n is less than or equal to log 91. If you don't put things in, I'm doing it to the power 10, base 10, and you could of course use base 1.3 if your calculator does that. The n then comes down here, so n log 1.3 is less than or equal to log 91, so n less than or equal to log 91 over log 1.3, so n is less than or equal to 17.193, and so the n is the greatest number of experiments possible, so n must equal 17. So it couldn't be 18. And that's question 6 done.